Hi everyone, welcome to the German driving license theory test video series. You all know this test will be in English, so don't waste the time. We'll start the exam. Mobile phones and other electronic equipment must remain switched off during the test. Just accept and continue. Baseline vehicle, accept and continue. We have 30 questions here, 20 from basic knowledge and 10 from the additional knowledge for class B. Most questions are multiple choice questions where multiple answers can be correct. I'm not getting into those details again. We'll start the exam. What should you do if you start feeling tired while driving? Get out of the car and move around in the fresh air? Yes. Listen to stimulating music? No, you should not do that. Take a break straight away? Yes. Continue. What should you do now? We'll zoom into the picture. Okay, there are children and a cyclist ahead of us. Okay, I slow down to walking pace. Yes, we have to slow down here because there are children in front of the road, not very sure what they will do. I remain ready to brake. Yes. I overtake the cyclist. No, this is not the situation for the overtaking. So let's continue. The road is icy for a short distance. What should you avoid here if possible? You should avoid steering wheel movements. Yes. Accelerating. Yes, because the road is icy. And braking. Yes, if possible, you should avoid braking here because there are more chances of skidding. So instead, drive slowly and cautiously and drive in such a manner where braking can be avoided. Let's continue. It's a video question. We'll start the film. Okay, nothing from behind. Okay, there is a bus stopping at the bus stop. Indications on. We'll watch the film again. Nothing from behind. Okay, we can drive normally. Yes, bus is going to stop at the bus stop. Okay, we'll just go to the question. If you switch to the question, you cannot see the film again. Okay, what must you be aware of? Pedestrians could cross the road. Yes, there are pedestrians. They may cross the road. Okay, I may drive past the bus at a walking speed. Yes, you can drive past the bus at a walking speed here. I may not drive past the bus. No, you may drive past here. So let's continue. What should you anticipate if you want to overtake? Okay, icy roads. Let's zoom into the picture. Cyclist ahead. We are on a priority road. Okay, let's check the options. What should you anticipate if you want to overtake? Risk of skidding? Yes. The unsafe riding manner of the cyclist? Yes. Because not very sure the cyclist on the icy road. It's very tough. So with an extended stopping distance? Yes. Because on this kind of roads, even if we brake, the stopping distance will be more. So we'll just continue. What should you do in this situation? Okay, let's zoom into the picture. We'll see there is a tractor. I think it is coming out of the parking lot or property lot. Okay, what should you do in this situation? Be ready to brake. Yes, you have to be cautious and be ready to brake here. Continue driving as before. No. Reduce your speed. Yes, you have to reduce your speed. Continue. Please start the film. One more film. Okay. We're at a traffic signal. Traffic red. And we want to turn right. So Mirrors. Okay, there is cyclist coming from the mirror. Okay. So we'll just watch the film again. We want to take right turn. Once the signal is green, then we will take right. So before taking turn, you have to watch the rear view mirror, side mirror, okay, and the blind spot. See, there is no one that we can see now, but there is a cyclist towards our right in the blind spot. So we'll just go to the question. If you switch to the question, you cannot see the film again. Okay, continue. What must you watch out for now? For the vehicle on the road ahead, yes, there is a car, so we have to watch out for that car. For the bicycle, yes. See, we may not see the bicycle here, but he is in the blind spot, so we have to watch out for the bicycle. For the motorbike, no, because the motorbike is already far ahead. So just continue. Which drugs can make a person temporarily unfit to drive, even when consumed on a single occasion? Hashish, marijuana, yes. Heroin, cocaine, amphetamines, yes. LSD, yes. Continue. One more video question. We'll start the film. We're taking right turn, indications on. Okay, okay, there is car coming ahead on a narrow road, so we have to. Okay, we'll watch the film again. Turning right onto a narrow road. Okay, so no space to move. The car is also coming ahead. Okay, see, you can observe some side. There is a space here. Fine, we'll just go to the question. If you switch, okay, continue. What should you do in this situation? I move onwards because the oncoming vehicle has to reverse. No, no way. Actually, he has no chance to reverse. I move backwards because the oncoming vehicle has right of way. No, we cannot go backwards in this situation. I move into the gap to allow the oncoming vehicle to drive past. Yes, we can see some space on the right, so we move into the gap and allow the oncoming vehicle to pass. Yes. Continue. What are the regulations governing speed when overtaking? The person being overtaken must not increase his speed. Yes. The speed of the overtaking vehicle must be appreciably higher. Yes. The permissible top speed must not be exceeded. Yes. Continue. What is the right course of action? Okay, this is a right of way or priority question. Who has priority here? Let's zoom into the picture and see. We have to give way to the crosswise traffic. Let's go to the options. I have to allow the blue truck to pass through. Yes. I have to allow the tractor to turn. Yes. The blue truck has to allow me to pass through. No. Continue. You want to turn left. To whom must you give priority? You want to turn left. To whom must you give priority? Give priority to oncoming cyclists. Yes, you have to give them priority. Oncoming vehicles also. Yes. You have to give oncoming vehicles, oncoming cyclists the priority, and the pedestrians. Yes. Pedestrians seeking to cross the road into which I am turning. So you have to give priority to all these oncoming vehicles, oncoming cyclists, and pedestrians. Continue. What is the right course of action? One more question from the right of way priority. I'll do a separate video on this topic, separate video series on right of way priority. So now let's zoom into the picture. Here the motorcyclist coming ahead want to turn left. He is on a priority road which is turning left for him. So here, what is the right course of action? I have to wait. Yes, we have to wait because we have to give way to the motorcyclist who is on a priority road. I may pass through the junction before the motorbike. No. Next question. What do you have to make sure of regarding the load on your vehicle? My vehicle may exceed the gross vehicle weight rating by a maximum of 5%. No, it should not exceed. My vehicle may not exceed the gross axle weight rating. Yes, it should not exceed. I have to use suitable equipment to prevent the load from shifting. Yes, you have to use suitable equipment. Let's continue. What is the right course of action now? Okay, there is a traffic police controlling the traffic. We'll zoom into the picture. There is a traffic sign, traffic light, and police. See here, we want to go straight because no indications on for us. So we want to go straight. We have a traffic sign saying that give away and the traffic light is red, but we have a police officer. He is clearly indicating the blue van coming from the right to stop. And here we have the priority. We have the police clearly indicating us to move through the junction. So let's see the options. I let the blue vehicle to move first. No, because the police officer indicating the blue vehicle to stop. He is facing towards the blue vehicle, so he has to stop. I cross over the junction carefully. Yes, we have to cross over the junction carefully. I wait outside of the junction for further instructions from the police officer. No. Let's continue. What does this traffic sign indicate? It is clearly a mandatory cycle path. So cyclist crossing carriageway, no. A cyclist prohibited zone, no. Let's continue. The barrier of a level crossing inside a built-up area is closed. The barrier of a level crossing inside a built-up area is closed. Where must you wait? Before the first beacon? No. In front of the St. Andrew's Cross? Yes. Before the last beacon? No. Let's continue. What is the right course of action? Okay, one more question from the right of way priority. Let's zoom in. We are on a priority road turning right, but we want to go left here. And the red car coming ahead is also on a priority road and it is following the priority road. So red car has the priority here and the blue truck is coming from the left. It has to wait because it want to get into the priority road, so it has to wait and we can turn ahead of blue truck. Okay, we'll see the options. I may only proceed after the blue truck. No, you have the priority before the blue truck, so that's not the option. I have to allow the red car to pass through. Yes, here the red car has the priority. I may proceed before the blue truck. Yes, you have the priority ahead of the blue truck. Let's continue. What must you remember when you see this traffic sign? Okay, vehicles may not be parked here. No, street lighting does not stay all night. You have to remember a few symbols. This is one of the traffic sign that you have to remember the answer. Here, street lighting does not stay all night. Yes. Vehicles may be parked here all night without lights. No. Where can used oil, lubricants, and car batteries can be disposed of properly? To recycling centers, yes. To car workshops, yes. In the household waste, no. Let's continue. What risk could arise if you drive with your main beam lights on? Stationary vehicles on my side of the road will not be detected until it is too late. No. Oncoming road users will be dazzled. Yes. Wild animals on the road will be dazzled and will remain stationary in the light beam. Yes. Continue. What motor vehicles engaged in the commercial or paid transport of goods are prohibited from driving on Sundays and public holidays? Trucks towing a trailer, yes. Cars towing a trailer, no. Trucks with a gross vehicle weight rating in excess of 7.5 tons, yes. Continue. You are driving on a good quality road in good visibility conditions. Within what distance must you be able to stop? Within the stretch of the road visible to me, yes. Half the stretch of the road visible to me, no. Twice the stretch of the road visible to me, no. Usually on the narrow road, it is half the stretch of the road visible to us. But on a good quality road and good visibility conditions, it should be within the stretch of the road visible to us. Next, where is it permitted to flash headlights to indicate your intention to overtake? In darkness in built-up areas, usually in built-up areas, it is not advisable to overtake, so no. In daylight outside built-up areas, yes. In darkness outside built-up areas, yes. Continue. What can cause skidding on bends? Mhm. Insufficient or uneven tire pressure? Yes. This may result in skidding. Faulty shock absorbers? Yes. Load is too small? No. Continue. What strongly distracts you while you are driving? Lighting a cigarette? Yes, very dangerous. Nagging children on the back seats? Yes. Telephoning? Yes. Continue. What is the maximum height allowed above the roadway for a red light marking a load extending to the back? See, usually it is 1.5 meters. You have to remember this question. Continue. How can you reduce noise? By driving in fourth or fifth gear in built up areas. Yes. By driving at high engine revolutions. No, you should not do that. It will make more noise. By driving at high speed. Driving at high speed also makes noise. Continue. What is the effect of an automatic anti-locking device, ABS? See, this is a technical question. You have to study these questions. There are about 101. I am yet to upload the technology questions. I'll upload it soon. So for this question, what is the effect of an automatic anti-locking device? The vehicle is braked in the best possible way, also on wet roadways. Yes. Steering control is largely retained when braking. Yes. Aquaplaning is prevented. No. Let's continue. The suspension of your motor vehicle has been lowered and an expert opinion must be obtained. When is this required? The suspension of your motor vehicle has been lowered. Okay. When requested by the vehicle licensing authority? No. You have to do it immediately actually. You have to get the expert opinion immediately. So immediately after the alteration to your vehicle. Together with the next official inspection? No. You have to do it immediately. Let's continue. So we are done with the 30 questions here. So you want to check the options, you can check the options. The road is icy. Okay, when you are fine, just click submit. Do you really want to end this test? Yes, end this test. Let's see the results. There you go, we have passed the exam with 0 fault points again. Have you observed here? There are few topics. Behavior in road traffic, risk situations, traffic signs, right of way priority, environmental protection. Right of way of priority is one of the important topics, not only for theory exam but also for the practicals and also when you're driving on the streets. This is very important. You have to understand who has the priority. So there are total 42 questions from this topic. All these questions are 5-point questions. So we'll just see. All these questions are 5-point questions. So I'm going to do a video series on this topic with a detailed explanation for all the questions. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and if you have any questions, please write it down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and happy learning.